In this video, I will show you how to get USDT wallet address on Exodus Wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus Wallet app, and from here, please be sure that you are on the tab all the way at the bottom left, like I am in right now. And then you need to click on Receive next to Buy. And once you have done that, you can click on the search bar at the top, and then you simply type in USDT, and then you're going to click on Return. And as you can see at the top, Tether USD has different kinds of networks, and we can see that down below. So right now you can basically select a network that you like. So I'm just going to select the Ethereum network. So I'm going to select the one at the top. And then you can see that our unique wallet address of this network for USDT will be generated. I can easily copy this to my clipboard by clicking on this icon in here. And now I can use it in a different wallet. So please be aware that all these different networks are really important to maintain once you are transferring crypto. So let's say you're transferring Tether USDT to a different wallet, then you need to be sure that the networks are matching. So if you select your wallet address from Ethereum in here, then the wallet address of the receiving wallet also needs to be Ethereum and also of the sending wallet. Because if you do not match the networks, then your crypto might get lost in the process. So this is something that you really want to prevent. So again, always please sure that you match the networks, and that is basically the most important thing that you need to keep in mind. So anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.